We're at Adams Lubetech in Coventry. It is in the name what they actually manufacture. They bought their first Citizen Miyano machine. First of all though, Eric, just cover off what Adams Lubetech do.
Oh, we make lubrication systems.
Simple as that. So where would these systems go?
OEMs, radiators, a selection of different parts.
Pumps, compressors, anything like that?
Pumps, compressors.
Yeah. So you're not bringing the stock in, you're actually manufacturing it all here. And since when?
1942. Yeah.
Going a long while.
Before I was born, even then.
Now, this is your first Miyano machine. You have used fixed head lathes before. Why have you gone the Miyano option?
Purely for its price. Just on its price. That's all it is.
Simple as that.
Simple as that, price.
So, as I said, it's your first Miyano machine. In terms of learning the programming, and things like that, that's all total support from the guys?
Oh, totally, absolutely, brilliant, yeah. Support was unbelievable. Yeah, I do rate them, 100%, yeah.
Now, you said about, it is price is a key part to why you purchased a machine, but what were you actually looking for in this type of machine?
It wasn't so much speed or massive reduction in time, it was purely for capacity.
But I mean, this is a powerful, rigid machine though, isn't it?
Definitely, yes, it is, yeah.
So let's look at, I think then really key to this is parts you're making at the moment and how things have changed or improved. So let's have a look at a couple of parts you're making.
Yes, we're looking at the one of the first one. This particular part is basic, straightforward, hexagonal shape, and it's thread on it.
Okay. Well, I'm thinking, obviously hex there, but why are you not using hex bar? Is it just easier to machine?
We can use hex bar as well if it's entirely up to you. It makes no difference to us. Right. We feel it's better. The machine performs better on a round bar than a hex because of the vibration issues. But it makes no difference to this machine.
Okay, so in terms of having to mill it flat and things like that, it's still keep the same cycle time?
It's exactly the same time. We rough it first, then we finish it. Right. So there's no difference from one to the other. Okay.
And in terms of cycle times, I know you've got a machine that's doing it, manufacturing at the moment. Yeah. Improvement in cycle times?
Oh yes, definitely. Easily 1 minute. Okay. From 5 minutes to 4, we're talking massive difference. As I said, we're not interested in a massive saving in that respect, but cycle time, yes, improvement straight away.
Now another part you manufacture, if you could just have a look at that and talk us through the existing process and how this has improved it.
Well, this particular part here we produce on a press. We're talking 7-8 different process. It goes in the pressing. And then it goes to be skimmed on a capstan, old machine, sorry. And it's going to go back to the press again to be slotted. It's a massive, huge lead time.
Okay, so in terms of sort of manual labour, extensive really.
Extensive labours. Yeah. We're not talking a few days, we're talking weeks. And we normally produce about 8,000 a time. Right. So it's 8,000 components and it's 8,000 times 7.
And the part now?
What we've done now, we've improved it by cutting out everything in one hit. Right. And we can produce that in about 2.5 minutes.
Right, so doing that all in one here, 2.5 minutes. Yeah. No other intervention from manual intervention?
Nothing at all. This is the bar end, produce, job done.
Excellent. Okay, now another one which you were sort of really raving about is the support you've had from the Citizen guys, and this part here, if you could talk me through this.
Well, basically, this is it's a block. Right. It's an anchor block for our sister company in Belgium. We produce this for them. We normally produce it on a manual base, but we've decided to put this on the Miyano with the help of Citizen. Basically, we're looking at the part itself. It's straightforward, a few threads, block to size. It's an anchor block. And we're looking at 139 seconds to do that one.
So in terms of this part, how have Citizen helped you?
Programming side, application, programming, and actually physically on-site machine the parts for us the first off.
Right. So basically holding your hand through the whole process?
Basically 3 days. We were held our hand all the way through the whole process. We now have to set the machine up, take the jaws off, take the chucks off, machine jaws, everything across the whole board.
Right. So in simple terms, the whole process?
The whole thing, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I'm getting from this end, price is very key to you guys, but also in terms of accuracy, efficiency, but improving performance, productivity. So how's that going to help with the markets you serve?
Well, it's globally, isn't it? We're global at the minute, and we're progressing more and more. And we have to reduce our costs internally, and that's what we're trying to do.
There you go. So that's Citizen Miyano helping Adams Lubetech with their global domination for lubrication. Eric, thank you very much.